Well, y'all, Big E here from Texas. It's another beautiful Saturday. A little brisk, breezy, blustery, but a beautiful day nonetheless. The wife's given me a project. She's a little concerned about the deadliness of our front porch. Um, yes, there are some concerns. There's some safety issues, and she had to pull out the S word. She knows I'm huge on safety, so that's one way to pop me into action. Um, Thing is that this is a big project that I'm not ready to do yet. So I need a quick fix just to tide us over, just to keep any fatalities from happening. So y'all stay tuned for Redneck Bandaid coming up. The porch is in bad shape and it's on the list, but not today's list. So we're just going to try to make it a little less deadly and something we could deal with for a couple of months till I get around to it. Maybe spring. Maybe this is a spring project. Liquid nail. Awesome stuff. Just going to get generous. The bottom line is, once you open the tube, you're probably best to finish it, because if you don't, you won't finish it. Man, it's a lot of liquid now. I just heard the neighbors' chickens bagawking. Not my chickens this time. Although my chickens love to bagawk. Now you'll need to stand here for 24 hours and hold it. Or you know what, I think I'm gonna liquid nail the bottom as well. Tomorrow, that'll be the strongest part of the porch. Any more pieces lying around? Well, I did say redneck. So we'll just fix half of it. Well, y'all, it's not been 24 hours. In fact, it's been a full week. It's another beautiful Saturday. Estimated high of 77 degrees today. I'm excited. It's going to be wonderful. And I had full intentions of coming out last Sunday and just finishing up this project. But then I reviewed the video and was just horrified by how filthy my truck was. Listen, y'all, I'm still making payments on this thing. I couldn't let that fly. This issue had to be resolved. So what did I do? Well, I washed it. Well, not me. A team of folks. They'll do it for $18 and takes about 10 minutes. So let's check on our progress. I mean, it's feeling sturdy. It's just as sturdy as the post, I'll tell you that. Oh yeah. Job completed, fellas. Redneck Bandaid. Appreciate you watching. See you next time.